Hello, boys. Hello, girls. How are you today? Are you good? Are you great? Or are you super good? Today I'm here because we're going to have a dictation, okay? Ditado. But at this time, it's going to be different because you have to listen and glow. Ouvir e colar, okay? We are going to use pictures. We are going to use the cutouts, okay? Here is the page we did 2 days ago. Fizemos já há 2 dias. Now, we are going to use my activities and the pictures that you have. As figuras que sobraram, nós usaremos no ditado agora, ok? So, these are the pictures you have. Essas são as figuras que vocês estão, ok? You have to open your book and write number. This way I'm showing you, ok? You are going to number the page. Escreve na página em branco, dictation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Deixa sua colinha separada, suas figuras separadas, ouviu, colou. Listen and glow. Let's go. Number 1 is blue truck. Number 1, blue truck. Separa a sua figurinha aí que você acha que é blue truck e cola na frente de onde você escreveu number 1. Okay? Let's go to number 2. It's a pink boat. Number 2, pink boat. Já colou? Let's go to number 3. Yellow helicopter. Yellow helicopter. So I'm going to repeat. Number 1, blue truck. Number 2, pink boat. Number 3, yellow helicopter. Okay, let's continue to number 4. Are you ready? Number 4 is red truck. Number 4, red truck. Number 5, gray helicopter. Gray helicopter. And finally, number 6, old boat. That's all for today. Finished. See you soon, balloon. Bye-bye.